to this book also. Hold a second. Desktop.
5. 5.
I have given you this book, no? You can see this is something Linux file structure. This symbol will not go back because this is a root. Usha?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is the root. So this is from here only it will start.
Okay.
Sunny, I think you got your answer.
Means ki after every writing after every command, like if we are working in if you want to know in which directory we are, like then we are just changing the directory like cd and then desktop, then after that we are giving a slash, then do we
No,
need really the
you
slash
want
for
to put inside that directory. Okay, you share a screen. You share a screen.
No, I have not. You can say install the Red Hat here. Just
No, you just
asking from you.
share a screen. Windows you share.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I can see.
Uh,
You just open any of your drive. Like go to D drive. Minimize all those things. Go to D drive. Any drive you go. Okay, then go to drivers. Okay. Now go to Bluetooth. Just go. Okay, now in app you can see that this PC is there. No, just go inside. Go inside.
Okay.
In this, you can see the address bar is there. Na? This PC, Lenovo, D drive, Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Just click there. Just go and click there.
Yeah.
Just give a tap. No, not there. Outside, in middle, give tap.
Okay.
No, after Bluetooth, just give double click you give. Double click you give after Bluetooth. Give. What came?
Deep. Okay. Yeah, it's showing slash drivers
That means
Bluetooth.
you want one folder inside. Only in Windows and your Linux has difference of their forward slash and backslash. In Windows backslash, in Linux forward slash.
Okay. So mainly the slash means like you are just differentiating between that, like drivers and Bluetooth means ki after drivers that Bluetooth is present inside that. Here slash doesn't means like root or something like that, no.
Correct.
It's just meaning ki there is something inside that. There is something inside that.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Understood?
And same thing in the Linux also.
Obviously, because see, Windows and Linux are same. They are unique spectrum only.
No, because yesterday on that day, I think you told ki slash is used for root purpose only, root directory.
Okay, minimize your unshare a screen.
Okay.
Unshare a screen.
Yeah. Done?
Yeah. You can see my screen?
Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah. Just a second. I think it got again hint, right? See, by default, first slash means root.
Okay.
पहला वाला root है. Simple the logic. First is root. After that, your folder name will come, your directory name. First slash defines which root you are. It will start like this. In Windows, you get C, D, E, F, correct? So you can see there you are getting D is to then backslash, correct?
Yeah, yes.
Here we don't have C, D, E, F something. We have only root. So starting first one shows which you are in root, after then subfolders.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Sir, can you share this file, sir? This
I've
Linux
shared
file,
same
sir.
file only you're doing. I think you have to update
No,
your screen.
sir. You have not sent in this file in groups.
Same file only.
You have sent, sir.
The file which you have opened, na same file only.
It's not there, sir, inside that.
I think you have to uninstall your drive. I'll do it again. Hold a second. In front of you, I'll do same.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay. Anybody has any other queries, questions? Okay, Nirmal, I'll come to
Yes,
you.
sir. Yeah,
Share your
user deletion. Hello.
Hmm?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. You bit louder, little bit.
Yes, sir. User deletion.
Okay, just share your screen. Let me check what you are doing. Because today only doubt clearing. Whatever doubts we have, you can do.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
In root.
Close this box, this black box, left hand side. Yes. First of all, show me how many user you have. Don't give direct user details. First show me. Do from the beginning. How to check user?
Home.
How many?
Home.
Not like this. Yesterday I told you something. Cat.
Yeah. Okay. Cat. Last three.
Okay. What do you want to delete? Raja.
Yeah, Raja.
Okay. User del. Enter.
Same. User Raja is currently used by process 4772.
Okay. Have you? Did you log in with Raja account or which account?
No, not Raja account. It's in
Okay,
Nirmal
fine.
account.
Let's do one thing. You create one user first. Let me check one thing.
Okay.
User at Jeet you give. My name only you give. In my name, H doesn't come. First thing.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now you delete it.
Without having the password, can we delete?
Huh?
Without having the user password, can we delete
You
it?
can delete. You can delete. Delete. I just want to check. That's it. It's gone now. It's not there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now do one thing. You go inside Raja once. SU Raja.
Okay.
Okay. Here you give ls command. Okay. Okay. Here you write a logout.
Log out. Enter.
Enter. Exit. Use exit. Sorry. Logout will not work.
Yeah.
Now you delete.
Same here, sir.
User currently use the process. Give top command. Okay, you do one thing. You restart the system once and do it again.
Okay.
Might be some processes running in Rajas. But don't do like this. How to restart? Homework I've given now.
Yeah.
Done only. Now you're saying yeah.
Okay.
What is the homework? What is the short form?
It's shut down hyphen R now.
Okay, fine. Okay, now you try. I think it will happen. Okay, let's wait for some time.
Okay.
Okay, except on online people who are online, do you have any other queries? Now Nirmal is doing his query. Anybody else? Online people?
Ajay sir, once I want to ask you. Once in interview, I was asked, "Ki in Linux the package that we are installing and the package that is already means like a package that is extracting out all those things, where it is there? It is from online. It is installing, or it is already in the offline section. It is there."
Okay, fine. The same question. Repeat the question in Windows. How will you answer? If the same question come in Windows?
No package. It is
No,
from with the
think. The question has been asked in Windows. What will you answer?
no the I will say ki the package is coming with the software only inside that only.
Correct. The same thing here. It will go to lib file. I have given that PPT, that document. In document, everything is written properly. Check.
Okay, okay. Because see, maximum you can say file is present. I think the installation files are present in the bin file folder, na?
Hmm. Bin file, but when you bin, then library. If you open that document,
Yeah.
in
Ha.
document, I have explained everything. I'll go anyhow with the document now after this.
Okay, okay. Because in library, maximum there are many softwares in that. Then how
Like,
can it?
no. In library,
Deleted, sir.
understood, Nirmal?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Any other queries you have?
No, sir. As of
No.
now, no queries.
Okay,
2
fine.
days I will practice. If anything is there, then I'll ask you Monday.
Okay, fine. Monday I will start Linux. Monday we'll do 1 hour, half an hour session for doubt clearing of this. Okay, then AWS will start. Okay, fine. Sunny, I'm welcome to you now. Just unshare a screen.
Yes.
Yeah. Sunny, now your question is whenever you download anything, okay, it comes to bin file. Oh. And just a second. Once you download anything, it go to bin file, and when you install something, it go to library file. Like when you download in Windows, it goes to download. When you install it, it goes where? It go to program file, either 86 or normal program file. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same thing here also. See, the concept between these two are same, only doing is different. That's it.
Mhm. Okay, like an example, like just we are installing cpanel in Linux. Okay, we are typing the command for cpanel. There as many things is you can say installing, recording, and many things are automatically happening in the Linux. So all those files coming from where? Mainly, it is coming from through online or
See,
through offline. Where that I'm asking.
normally it is up to you how you download. Okay, where you will download, where you will keep, sheets contain the command, binary files, and all those things. See, I have given everything. Okay. Now your question is there when you download, where it will come. It depends from which location you are downloading it. But when you install, it comes under library.
No, without downloading only it is installing. Na? Like if you are typing for the cpanel command, we are not downloading any cpanel file. You can say
What-
from the outsource. It's
There are
coming
certain
inside.
things.
Yeah.
There are certain things which is already is there. Like yesterday, I have shown you that CD command, correct? That CP command.
Yes.
It is by
Mm.
default. It is in my hard drive in my system only. I copied that one, I kept somewhere, and then I install. Remember, there are certain things which are inbuilt in the system, but you have to install it.
Okay.
Okay, like for me in Linux, I have lot of function, but they will not install everything. Something will be there. Just you have to execute the command. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. More thing you'll understand in Linux. Linux when I'll do the DevOps, you'll get more example on this. Because there are certain things you have to install, uninstall, a lot of things will come. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I'll come with offline people's doubt. So online people, no doubts now? Whoever online?
Tomorrow is class or not? No.
No class tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow no class. In me, I take only Monday to Friday. I don't take Saturday, Sunday class. Okay? If you have a doubt, you can come. But no new class. Doubt clearing will be there again if you want tomorrow.
Okay.
Fine, Sunny?
Okay. Same
If you have
timing.
not timing same, but down. If you have to come, you have to come by before 2 you have to come, but only offline, no online class tomorrow.
Okay. No problem. Okay.
Before 2.
Okay.
Because tomorrow everybody will come for doubt clearing. So might be lot of people also. I can't say.
No. Okay, means ki 12 o'clock we should reach if you have some doubt, no?
Before 2 o'clock you reach, because after 2 I'll go somewhere. Okay? Before 2. Like you come at 10, I don't have any problem. Come at 12, I don't have any problem.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Now on here. You have problem in copy. Any other problem? Only copy paste. You want different directory, correct? No problem. So I will do this one. Only will answer me one thing. What our CCNA class practicals will do? They are not coming means Nirmal has done his practical fully. Yesterday he came and did everything. Sunday also not done, here also not done. Monday I am starting new topic, no practical classes. If you want, come tomorrow and practice it. Later on, don't tell me. Sunday I am telling you also. Don't come on Monday and say me sir practical left. No more practicals. If you want, come tomorrow and do. And I don't know tomorrow who will come. It's your call. Okay? Understood, Sandhya? Nirmal has done his practical and he has finished his practical. You and Sandhya only left. Cabling. You want cabling? They are there. Call anybody, they will help you out. If you want, I will help you, but call anybody, they will help you out for cabling. Cabling he has also done. He can also help you. What I was supposed to do? VMware. Tomorrow I don't know. Tomorrow a lot of people are coming. Everybody will say they will come, then again they will not come. So I don't know. Might be if you come, your bad luck or what. All has come. Or if you have come, you might be alone also. So Saturday I can't say anything. So after 2 o'clock, I'll go to different time. Before 2, you have to come. You will be available after. Hold a second, my file what happened. I will be available before 2. After 2, I'm not there. So only you people have copy problem. That's it. Okay, online people, and here also I'm saying again and again. Please finish your IP address before AWS class properly. If somebody stuck an IP address, AWS class over for them. So they are submitting it. It is very, very important.
IP समझ नहीं पाया बॉस सर.
IP address चाहिए मुझे. IP addressing, subnetting, grouping, everything I want. If you don't know, please don't join AWS class, because second topic is VPC. VPC is all about.
We have told a little bit of regarding networking in the N plus only.
हो गया ना?
हाँ हो गया.
IP address हो गया ना?
हाँ हो गया वो.
हाँ तो वही चाहिए मेरे को, मगर मुझे आंसर चाहिए. इस दिन आंसर नहीं होगा ना, क्लास कैंसिल है. सिंपल.
ओके.
बिकॉज IP address इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं अभी AWS में IP address नहीं सिखाने वाला.
अच्छा, ये पूछना था सर कि जो हमारा लिनक्स का 3 पेपर है, ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद AWS करना था कि साथ ही साथ करना है?
आपका 3 पेपर है तो आपको मैनेजमेंट से बात करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. मैं फर्स्ट पेपर लेता हूँ, AWS और DevOps लेता हूँ. वो लिनक्स सेकंड पेपर, थर्ड पेपर के लिए वो अलग फैकल्टी है.
ओके. ठीक है. ओके, मैं बात करूँ. ओके.
वो बात कर लो. सेकंड थर्ड के लिए अलग मुतुआ सर है, वो शिवाजी नगर के है. तो आपको शायद ऑनलाइन लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ऑफलाइन लेने के लिए आपको शिवाजी नगर जाना पड़ेगा.
तो ये भी तो कर सकता हूँ ना, जिससे मेरा अभी लिनक्स का फर्स्ट पेपर चल रहा है और AWS DevOps होने के बाद लास्ट में वो 2 पेपर मैं कंप्लीट कर लूंगा.
यस यू कैन.
ओके. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. हाँ, मुझे लग रहा था कि अगर मैं वो 2 पेपर नहीं करूंगा तो मुझे AWS और DevOps में फिर से प्रॉब्लम आएगा. ये चीज
ऐसा कुछ नहीं. फॉर AWS and DevOps you don't need Linux second and third, because in environment when you work you need second and third.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm saying again and again, on Monday, I need your IP address to be clear properly. If IP address is not clear, keep it out and come on Monday. I need the knowledge of what? Subnetting. First thing is important is subnetting, grouping. And what is private, what is public. These 4 things I need.
Okay. See one thing. Linux first paper has been completed for us.
नहीं अभी बाकी है कुछ रुको.
Okay. ठीक.
Still I'm doing this one on the doubt clearing only. Hold a second. Okay, not finished. I will finish today. Only one topic left. How to assign IP address. And one more topic I have given in my note, that is how to break root password. You can try by your own. If you don't do also, no problem, because in AWS we don't have that. Okay. Okay, let's log in first. I log in with root. Just mute your side. And Sunny, I think from management they are calling you up. You're not picking the call. Please pick their call.
मैनेजमेंट को पता है कि क्या ऑलरेडी बोल चुका हूँ, फिर भी फोन करते हैं तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ उसके लिए?
वो आपको देख लो, आप और मैनेजमेंट का है, वो मेरे ऊपर नहीं है. Just I have to inform you. I have informed you. Remember, you are in loudspeaker.
Yeah, I understand.
हाँ चलो. Can you check? I just informed you because they told me to inform you. That's it.
Okay, no problem.
Who is raising hand? As in the group. Okay, for example, I'll create some file in some folder. Then I'll move that one different folder. It's fine? That one only you want, correct? So let's go to desktop. Yeah. Oh, zoom. Control Shift plus plus. Okay. So let's go to root first. Remember, whenever you do in this directory only. Root directory. Don't do in this. This is your shell script directory. Here, if you do anything, it will not work. So you have to always do inside this root only. This is stands for root, one drive. Here we don't have C, D, E, F, all those things. Only one root. After that, subfolders. When you create one file like here, by default, there are some files are there, some directories are there. This directory will explain now only after this session. Okay. So after this, you have to create folder, file in some of those places. So when you go inside, that is subdirectory. But in front, whatever slash you say, that is root. Root, then subdirectory. Okay. So I'll go some. I'll get here only one folder. What? Chalo, Friday. Inside Friday, I'll create some files. Okay, not touch. I'll use Nano. Dot clearing offline. No online class. This is my practice and this is then save it. If we seeing, we'll see tomorrow also or today also this video, they will understand. Tomorrow no class. Only offline you can come for a doubt clearing. I think your iPad is not over, correct? We done now. Your? If he has not done, sit with him tomorrow. Kiran, and finish properly. I don't know, finish properly. Okay, so I want to copy this Friday file in entirety. Okay, and I will copy where I'll copy. I'll copy somewhere. I'll copy inside this cd slash. Where I'll copy tell? Temp file. Okay, in temp file. What? CD slash. In here I have anything. Here I will create one file. Normal one file I will create. I'll follow the same rule, whatever is there in the copy. mkdir minus p slash temp, and let's give folder name as copy. Okay. Now I can give cp minus rvf all the files. Slash what file I have created in where? Inside what is Friday? Friday. I need that file, correct? I'll give star. And location. Friday tomorrow. Tomorrow is there, no? No problem. Please give an example also. Okay. So let's go. Understood? In so tomorrow is a file, correct? So whatever I have done, you will see. Understood? Any questions now in copy?
Sir, one doubt.
Tell.
Sir, you created the file day Friday file, right? That file where it locates?
I didn't get your tell once again.
You no before you beginning you created a file Friday, right? Directory.
Be louder,
Did
Nirmal.
I-
I'm not getting your voice.
So one minute, just a second.
Can you call me?
Yeah.
Call me. Hey, copy is also folder only. mkdir minus we have done na. What is this? Nirmal, tell.
Yes, sir, you created that beginning Friday directory,
Just
right?
mute your Skype. Both are echoing. In root only is locating. See? Fine. Any doubts? Okay. Now next topic. Okay. Now, how to assign IP address? Once I finish IP address, your Linux first paper is over. Next, if you see my Linux command, there is something how to break password of root. If you want, you can practice. Full steps are given, or you can go to YouTube and check it out. But पेपर में टॉपिक है वो उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है तो आई जस्ट गिव यू फॉर होमवर्क डू इट एंड आई हैव गिवन द स्टेप्स आल्सो इफ यू सी आई विल ओपन दैट फाइल आल्सो because in cloud you don't need that password breaking because you are not installing. So hold a second, I will open this. So I have given here first start and press key up arrow, then press edit, find this line and complete this. If you go in these steps now, it will work. Try it out or else Monday will show. Just 5 minutes done. Okay? Just try this one. If you want to try, you can. If you don't try, no problem. Because you don't need this, nobody will break this one. Only if you are going to give global exam, you need this one. Because in global exam, you cannot, in Red Hat only, nobody can give proxy. You have to go to a center and have to give. They will give you a system, one default system they will give, and they will give you the paper. So there will be different settings, there will be different route. So that time you have to break the password, save and do your work and save the file. Because they will come and restart the thing. Once they restart, and if you have not changed the password, all files will remove, correct? So you are fit. That time it is required. Or else you will not get. Till now I have not got any. If you want, you can try. So today's topic is this. Basically, IP address giving is same way. You have to go to network adapters. Like in Windows, what you do? Go network adapters, then properties, click there, give your IP, give subnet mask, same thing here. Only to find it out, ways are different. Nothing more. In cloud, this one also not required. They will do for you. In cloud, networking is minus. Only you have to know if you want to do cloud, you only need to know networking. That's IP address. Whatever you have learned till now, like CCNA, whatever you have done, forget about all those things. Not required. All they will do. Network support, cloud will do, AWS will do. So only IP address is important. Here also same thing. I will show you the steps. This is only for if you are working for in-premise. For cloud, not required again. Okay, but you're working in premise, you're a network admin or desktop support engineer, that time you have Linux machine, that time you need. You might say, sir, okay, if I'm desktop support engineer, I might have to take root password. No, because every user will be there for every system. Okay, they will not use root. Root only one person will use, who is the admin. They might give you Linux system, but you log in as root only. Like in company, who gives you laptop, they don't give you root access. They will create one user account and they will give it to you. In there only will do. If something you want to add, edit or something, you have to take permission. The same thing here. And if you try to break that time root password, they will get to know. Okay, so if you have office laptop, if you're practicing on that, don't do this thing. Practice somewhere else. Or else you'll come and to me only and say, sir, I have tried, now my job gone only. So don't try all those things. So to assign IP address, you have to give NN connection ID. Okay. Now, how to check IP address with the help of command prompt in Windows? IP config, correct? Here it is if config. IF. Then config. To check what is the IP present. If config. Next, if you want to edit, like if I want to get my IP address, what I do? In Windows, I will go to properties, network adapters, properties, TCP IP4, and then I will give my IP address, correct? Online people, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing here we'll do, but same way we'll do, but in command prompt. Okay, let's see. So first of all, let's check what IP address I am having. Because till now I have not given any IP address. Here I have in Windows IP. So it is showing me virtual interface. It is showing me loopback. Default loopback will be there. See? In Windows you don't see this one. You see this one? No. This is what our interface is. ENS. And I am getting one IP address. Can you say why? Because my VMware is there and I have used virtual physical adapter NAT. So it is getting this IP. Okay, if I want to ping somebody, like I want to ping any web page. What is it? There is a DNS not required. I just want to check network communication is there or not. So it is communicating. Obviously, this is I am showing directly. But here one problem. Once you ping, it will continuously ping. In Windows, 4 times. Here it will go on. So Control C to break it up. Don't think, "Hey, what happened? It's pinging only. I cannot stop. Nothing happening." It's not like this. Okay. Just Control C. Will break. Sometimes happens. After doing it, it's not stopping only. I only got scared first time when I was learning. I shut down my system only. So I know. So Control C to stop it. Clear? Now I want to edit. Basically, now I can edit it. Only I'm getting DSCP. If I edit now, I'll not use internet. That will be difference will be. Because I'm getting internet from where? From my physical machine. Because I'm doing in VMware. Don't ask that question, sir. After doing this, I'm not getting internet. Obviously, we'll not get internet. We are breaking that flow. Okay, real time, you will have real PC. You will know your network. You will give your IP. That time it will work. Here, it will change. Because it is working to VMware atmosphere. Okay? Don't give, now you're going to practice giving 10 dot something and then you're trying to ping google.com, it is not pinging. Coming down tomorrow, saying me, sir, it is not pinging. I'll say break your laptop. Remember. So how to do nm connection editor. Okay? Enter. You'll get one graphical pop-up. Same way. Here you will see Ethernet. Down if you see bridge network. Bridge network means my physical system and my VMware is doing bridging. For that it is coming. Okay. Now I have Ethernet port. This one. If I add one more Ethernet port, I get more one. I think you have done this one now. ENI in sorry. Because this question will come in some other topic. Huh? I will do that also there. So edit. Now do not add nothing to be added here. Okay, at present you don't have anything. Okay. If you have Wi-Fi in your desktop or your main PC, then you can touch Wi-Fi also. At presently I don't have. I'm using my virtual machine. I'll get this only. I'll just come and edit. Okay. Here you can see IPv4 setting. Same like your Windows. It is using DHCP. You have to change into manual. In down side, it's changing everything. This property cannot be empty and all those you are getting message. Whatever I type, it will come there. Okay. Now you have to add. Let's give 10.10.10.1. If something is wrong, it will be in red color. 0 if I give, will it work 0? It will work, it will not work. Next, here net mask. You have to give CIDR value. No, CIDR value? 24. 24. It can be any. It can be any, sir. I will give 27. But if you have said me 8 also, no, I will not say why. But 10, you said 24, so I have the doubt. Why 24? Okay, 27. Done. Add. See, half it is added. Gateway means default gateway. If you want, you can give a default gateway. Once done, come to DNS server. If you have, you can give. At presently, I don't have. Why it is showing invalid? Let's give this. Yes, I'm doing this. Don't click on add, sir. It's taking another again. That is fine. If you do add, it will take one more. Sorry. So one only. After doing this, save. Okay. Click on save. Close. Now check IP config. Not changed. Why so? Let me check. Why I didn't change it up? I didn't save or what? I don't think so. is there. So I'll change some name. Ethernet. Automatic save. Same command. I'm saying that. Okay, I'll just restart it once. Okay, it should have come. I'll restart it once. I'll just restart to check once why it didn't change. Because your VMware might give this problem. So just restart it. In real time, this problem will not be directly it will change. Changing way is same. Okay. So it will start. So this is our NM connection. Now we can see all those things. I'll check now on this. Achha, I have written two things same on this. Remember one more thing, root can change anybody's password. User cannot change other password. User can change only his password. Name has changed. It is showing Ethernet came, which name I have given, but it is not showing me IP. Why so? Let's check again. NM hyphen connection editor. Edit. Correct only. Okay. Let's go to main user. I'll let me check. Just a second, be online. Let me check. You're clicking something. Achha. I'll just add Ethernet. Ethernet. IPv4. Page. Add 10.10.10.1. 27. Save. Close. Has no connection. Okay, this one I will show next class. Okay, might be my OS problem. I will just check and let me next class. Online people fine. This one I will do on Monday. I will show how to change the IP address. Some error is happening. I have to check it out. I will not waste my time. I will do it in evening. Okay. So let's discuss now the PPT which I have sent. So now you can read not this one. Now see, this is very important command which I have given to you people. Which one I have given first, Linux first paper, that is first paper content. Okay. Now this is important for upcoming classes. Yes, so you should know. So that time when I speak, that time also why did this one, why here? So you should know this one thoroughly. So what is there? There are some prerequisite software. You know the software, correct? Little bit PuTTY. Yes. What PuTTY do? It helps to communicate, define system with terminal, correct? While doing cloud, we need PuTTY or Mobile Extreme. So I will show. So this is for connection. Like while doing your you're working on cloud and all, you need some kind of third-party software to communicate. Because whatever you will create in cloud, that IP address will be different, your IP will be different. Okay? To do the communication, I need these tools. So first class, I will talk about these things only, prerequisite tools. Your main thing is that you have to know this introduction of Linux. If you want to remember this name, you can remember who has created and all those things. If you want, or else not required. You have to remember this. It is multi-user, multitasking operating system. At a single time, multiple people can log in and work on it. We define users. Like for example, now I have created one Linux instance. For example, if I give you this option, okay, you also work, everybody can work at single time. In Windows, that is not an option. One time, one RDP only. One time, one sessions only. Okay? Open source, all are free. Okay? Remember, it is case sensitive. Whichever folder name, whatever you give, small, big, according to that will work. Like for example, you created a user, ABCD. ABCD is in small, you work on small only. If it is big, you work on big only. So it is very case sensitive. These are the following. Just a second, this one, why like this? These are all flavors, nothing, operating system versions. Basically, we'll work on this and this, but mostly Red Hat only. But the commands are almost same, not totally, but almost same. This is your structure of your Linux. In Windows, we don't have any structure. We have only one C drive and every file is there. But we can make it separate group. Correct? Here we can't do anything like that. The first one is root. Inside root, default, these 5 things will be there, 6 things. It will be there. If you're doing in Ubuntu, 1, 2 will be less, but this 6 will be there. So first, case sensitive, same thing I have start. Current directory always defined as dot. When you give that cd dot dot, move to current directory. Slash is always root directory. Then home, it contains home directory, all user information and personal information, like your desktops and all those things, document and all. Okay. Main contains all binary. What is binary? The main file. Like in our Windows, we have what? Program files. They are binary files. Sbin is only for root. Sbin is contain the command and file, but only root user can access it. Sbin. etc configuration file. After configuration, whatever files are there, it is separate. Installation file somewhere in bin, which required to run, and configuration file in etc file. Library, system libraries, production file, process information in this. What are the processor running? You want to check. Like that, I have given a homework now how to check your processor working or not. Top command is there, correct? The top you can see what process is running, which is running. Like we do task manager, na? Same thing with only top. If you give top, it will come. See? It will show you. Git is activated, its process ID is this, all those things, CPU, how many I'm using. Okay. So all the information will come under this. Dev, it contains the device file. I have told you that homework also, no? How many hard drives are connected. What I have done? DS -H, correct? FD also you can give. So all the informations are here in dev file. Here you will not see size and all, but you will see what is connected. Like USB is connected or this is connected, these things you can see. Okay, so I have given example USB and device attached to a server. You should go to dev file. There only you can understand. While doing our AWS class, there is something known as EBS, Elastic Block Storage. That time I have to add external file. So there dev file will come. Navigation tree, you know. I will do one thing. Okay, navigation tree, I'll show that time also. There are certain navigation tool which at presently you know. MKDIR, LS, CD, PWD, tree I will show later on. Here I have given the difference. Maintenance command, touch to create. If you want to find, you can use all these things. Already I have shown some of the things. I have shown this. I have shown CP, move, file, you can check it out. This is word count. Word count means you have written one document, one program file. How many word counts are there? WC and then give that file name. You will give the entire word count, word, line, everything. How many lines are there? How many words are there? How many characters are there? Everything will give you. Okay? LN I have shown. Soft link, hard link. Header also I have shown. This is to read. Last command is to find. Grep, set, all these command will come one by one. Now what is required, I have just done that one. If you want to practice, you can practice by using this command. Okay? System resources to check host name, DF, what homework I have given, all are here. If you want to know your hardware information, what is the command? Huh? No? Should have given somewhere. Hold a second. Okay, fine. There's some. Tell me. I want to know the hardware thing. What are the hardware are connected? How many RAMs are connected?
As per I searched, sir, it showed LSSW.
LSSW, I will give you current one. I need entire full. Okay, fine. To try these commands one by one. If any command is not working, let me know. I'll help you on Monday because anyhow Monday I'll give half an hour session for IP address. Okay. Process management are this for checking processor, killing the process, and all those things. Okay. Nirmal, that time you got one problem now. The process is working some number. Are you there? Nirmal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you get next time same error, now you just do this command kill and give that process number.
Okay.
It will kill that process and then you can do your work.
Okay, sir.
If you give SAR command, it will give you system activity report, entire collection of CPU, memory, and IO uses. Okay. Zip file, tar file will show upcoming classes, not now. User group and administrative control, which I have shown everything. Dealing, mailing, everything is there. Okay, change age, group add, and all those things. Cron tab. It is something little bit critical, so not required. At present, not required. But whatever is there, I will do. Cron tab is nothing, scheduling your job smoothly. Like for example, you have a task to run at 5 o'clock. Okay, like you want some resources information, some output. At 5 o'clock, you get the report and you have to generate that report. But you have to leave office by 3 o'clock. Okay, then what you will do? You can schedule. The cron tab is for scheduling the job. So we have this specially, we have one some topic known as lambda, where cron tab will be used. So there also I'll explain. Okay, now if I do, you will not try also, so leave it. So cron tab will do. Anyhow, everybody has AWS. In online also, I think everybody has AWS. Next class.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
fine. Because there I will show lambda, there I will do this, because here you will not understand. Or lambda we can do easily. SSH, SCP are remote connections, all are going to come. So whatever is there in down now, you can try it. Not this, try this hardware information. Which are, this is the command. Debit code. If you give this one, you will get the entire hardware information. So try all this command. And whichever command is not working, let me know on Monday. That is your homework. Mail not required. Other command I have always told, check it out. Okay. Whatever is missing, let me know on Monday. And there are certain topic which is not required. First try it first. First you give a try. Then I will tell you which is required now, which is required later. Which is going to come, I'll do that time only. There are certain topic I have left. Tree command I have left. Brief I have left. Okay, then find I have missed. SCD is there. There is the SCD means replace. Like in Windows, if I have MS Word or Excel sheet, I want to replace some file. What I do? Control F, find. I find the name. I click on replace. I get replaced. Correct. Here something is there known as SCD. Inside the file, you can change the entire thing. So those things are required in upcoming classes, not now. I just did Linux for my upcoming classes. This is what required for first paper and AW. People who have second and third, you will get again repetition of this thing. Second, third is required only in working environment is good to know. If you have not done, not taken, no problem. But if you know, it's good. Clear? Online? Any questions? I hope today everybody will practice and come up with your doubt on Monday, first half an hour. Yes? Online
Okay.
people.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. If anybody has any doubt, if you want to come tomorrow, you can come tomorrow by 2 o'clock. But earlier I can say one thing. How many people will be there? I don't know. Might be you are alone or bulk. Okay, because Saturday I always give doubt clearing session only. Any doubts you have, you can come on Saturday. I take class only Monday to Friday. From Monday onwards, your AWS will start. If all people want to do online, I don't have any problem. Because AWS is obviously online only. You have to create an account, do there only. I will only do. If you want to see TV, you can come. Or else you can do from home. Okay, but one more thing. If anybody has any payment, please come and give. Don't say, sir has given online, I will not come. Those things I don't want. Or else you can do, by next month onwards, might be to be full online. I might have to go to my native. There's some problem going on. I might have to go. But class will continue. This class will go up to December. So don't take any rest. Whoever has DevOps, full, I'm saying. Or else, by November, and it will finish. This is October, no?
This is October.
November and it will finish. AWS. AWS will go. There are 27 topics, 27 days. I'm assuming like that.
Sir, don't take it for enough month.
It depends on you people. You have to practice. If you want, tell me, I'll finish in 10 days.
Not 10 days, sir. 20 days.
So whatever is there, let it be. I'm just giving more days. If in middle you will be absent and you will ask me old doubts again. Sir, I was doing this one, it is not happening, that is not happening. So I'm giving 1.5 months. It is finished before that only. But DevOps, whoever is there, minimum 2 months. Close your eyes and sit. Minimum 2 months. No other options. Because now whatever you have got from management, okay, you have got 7 tools. I have added more 5 tools. I have added something Maven, lot of things I have added. Who have done earlier, they are in loss. Who will do now batches, everything they will get. And I will call old people also now again. I took permission, I will call them. So again, you're all Jagdish, Jagdish, whoever was there, all will come. Timing might be different. And once Kunal come, the timing might change. Reason behind that, there are certain people has not done A plus, N plus, that he has not done CCNA. So might be I will shift this batch to 10 o'clock. And their batch will be 12 o'clock. So something will happen, but timing will be either 10, either 12. Not after 2 o'clock, because after 2 o'clock I am busy. 3 to 9 I am busy with my DevOps class for 2 months again. So before 2, the classes will be there. Okay? So online people, any questions, queries?
No, sir.
Okay. If anybody has any queries, any questions, you can come offline tomorrow. Monday we'll start our class with new AWS topic. Okay. Okay then. Bye bye. Thank you all. Happy weekend.